Hey beauties, Andrea. So in this video, of course, I am going to be trying a curly hair tutorial from the beautiful SUNKISSALBA. Why did I pick her? Because I love her. Like I said before, most stunning woman on YouTube, hands down. I love her videos for her skin videos. She literally has sun-kissed skin, okay? Check. Told you. I relate to her a lot, and yes, we've talked before, and I really like her. My hair pattern is very similar to hers, just a tiny bit drier and a tiny bit thicker. I would say maybe in the front areas. One thing that you gotta know, I do not like twist outs. I prefer braid outs, okay? So I was never a twist out girl. Whatever came out, whatever results, even moisturized results, I never liked the look. Nope, I've never tried doing a twist out on dry hair, and that is what she did. And she also said it's the only way that it worked for her. I had just had to try it out, so let's do this. Is the Nakar Sunset Gold Curl Cream. Review below.
My hair is completely dry and styled.
I'm going to use the exactly same product, the Kinky Curly Custard and jojoba oil.
I begin by separating a small section of hair, and then I separate a medium section to work on. I then apply my product of choice, which is the Kinky Curly Curling Custard, and I make sure to smooth in a small amount from the root to the tip. Then I twist two medium sections together and I twist forward towards my face.
The way my curls, which is all the way to the left, on both sides of my
twisting against my curl face. Before reaching the very ends of my hair, I add some product again to the ends to twirl the ends and seal it into place. Now I repeat the same process over again on the other section. Simply smooth in some product on a medium section, twist both sections towards your face, which is forward, like this. And before reaching the very end, just add a little bit of more product and twirl with your fingers to seal it into place. And then continue on in every other section.
Like 2 hours is actually good enough for me, but I'm going to bed. I have gym in the morning, so I'll take it off in the morning, and we'll see if you'll be looking as good as hers. See you in the morning.
Saturating my hands with jojoba oil
to
add some shine and avoid adding frizz to my hair while unraveling the twist. I prefer to focus the oil towards the ends of my hair so that my scalp doesn't get oily or weighed down whatsoever during or after the process of removing the twist. To smooth down my baby hairs and make it a little neater.
Never liked the twist out results. It's just never my cup of tea. This is like, it gave me a wavy, controlled look. I like it. I really like it. It's really pretty. A success. It was not a fail. For the first time I actually like a twist out. Never thought about doing it on dry hair. This was a very good idea. Very good choice of product. And yeah, I like it. This is a SUNKISSALBA hair tutorial, and it was not a fail. I'm very happy about it, actually. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget the thumbs up. I liked whose I tried, and yeah, bye guys.